Does it work? I hope it works. Am I live? Alright, cool. Listen, I'm in it to win it this time. Today, I'm ready. Oh, that's a great get. I mean, for so cheap, of course. Is it actually a great get? Stop. Maybe not. I forgot that I could re-roll it. Maybe I should have. And a different curse room item. You know, ceremonial robes. Would have been fantastic. I'd be very surprised if there was not an ace of diamonds. Also, what is this? Is this compost or is this a new item? Play-Doh cookie. Taste the rainbow. Alright. Do they have different effects? Is this like fruitcake? I don't know what it did. It do? What did it do? Didn't do anything. Hey, I'll take it. It looks cool. Oh, they do have different effects. Like, he's feared right now. Oh, yeah. Ah, no. That sucked. Alright, what is this? Constellation prize. +1 to the lowest stat. What is that? Shot speed? Oh, we forgot to go to the alt path. What the heck? What am I doing? Can't believe I forgot. That's the whole point. Get out of here, guy. Yeet. Now, I always forget. Does the curse room take away your devil deal? I always thought that it did. That's pretty good. Like really purple now. Look how purple everything is. Oh, whoa. That was an unintentional dodge. Or like I got very lucky there, I should say. A lot of yawning today. We don't want to go into the shop because we need the key to go to the alt path, to go to the downpour. What is the other one called? The Dross? The disgusting poop world? Show me the boss. Oh yeah, that's good. You bitch. You fucking bitch. Ah, I hate you, Ragman. Let it be known Ragman is a bitch. This is good. This is tears up. Okay, I don't like this item. It makes you shoot really... yeah, okay. I've had this before. This effect. And I've had teardrops on that run as well. And I didn't know what was making it do that. But, now I guess I'm aware that it is eye drops that makes it all fucky, and I kind of hate it. Okay, well, I guess we're taking the mystery. Okay, actually decent. Oh, into the shop? That's nice. I'm just gonna buy the battery. Car battery. I wouldn't know. What is it called? Big battery? Oh, I meant to pick up the spirit heart first. What am I doing, dude? What am I doing? Oh well. Oh, jeez. Don't hurt me. It's this way, right? Here's something we can do. Oh, there it is. Did I already get the item here? No, I didn't. Or was it X-ray vision? Was that last floor? Oh god, I don't even know. No, that was this floor. Okay, we'll fight the boss. No. Love getting hit. Oh. None of that. Okay, this guy spawns a lot of little guys. Maybe a good place to use the sun. Use it. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my god. Why? I just want a deal. Give me a deal. Oh god. It's so tragic. It's easily the most tragic thing to ever happen in my entire life. Out of all the years I've lived, the most tragic thing. I haven't gotten like the default mines in a while. Lots of ash pit though. Oh my god, really? They bait you. They make you think it's just one guy. And then this guy telefrags you. Get out of here. I'm pissed. This is a 0 deal with the devil run. New percent. No devil percent. This is good, right? Spider baby, maybe? Oh yeah, these enemies are cool. I like that they do that. That's fun. I say that, but they actually are cool. I like them a lot. Oh, spider baby is every time you get hit, it spawns spiders or something? Yeah, okay. I understand. So, generally not a great item. For me, decent item. And we already got the item, right? Let's just go. Just go for it. There's like a 1/3 deal chance. 36%. Whoa! What happened? I'm not paying attention. This sucks. I just suck at this game. This is what it is. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. Okay, missing page. Thanks. You really helped me out there. But I re-rolled it. This is worth a bomb. Infested? It's no longer worth a bomb. Look, maybe Cursed Eye is actually good for me because I get hit all the time. Contrarily, maybe it is still awful. I would love some HP so I could go re-roll it. It'd be lovely. Does that buff your spiders or just flies? Oh, oh. Oh, yeah, no, that's it. Alright, streak -1, but I don't want to update it. Oh, jeez. Oh? Sure. Yeah. Oh, more yawns. I'm sorry. If you know, like yawning, right? Like people say it's contagious. I think it kind of is, but not like, oh, there's like chemicals in your yawn that no, it's just like, oh, like you see a yawn, like, oh, remember you have to yawn, do that. So if you're like, how long can I go without yawning or something, and you're like, oh, let's like watch this guy stream. First of all, terrible idea, because this is a resident sleeper stream and you will yawn. And second of all, I am bad at the game. I'm bad at the game is what I was gonna say. That's all. I'm also a clown. Oh wait. Ooh, you would bless me with this? You know, this game, I feel like it got harder with this latest expansion. I mean, the hard mode definitely did get harder. They made enemies move faster, I think, and also they made the bullets faster. That sucks because I suck, right? Life is like a deal with the devil. You never know what you're gonna get. And sometimes you get shit. And then sometimes you get something real saucy. And I don't want to take that risk, so I'm just gonna bring the D6 with me. In case I do get a deal. Very unlikely. 1 in 3, just about. Oh, yeah. Die, bitch. Stupid. But I do want to reroll that. Look at this. We'll just leave it there. Because if I don't reroll the deal, I can just go grab it. Not gonna help me on this fight anyway. Like, what if the deal is Krampus? What if there is no deal? And this is like a good item or something. The spoon. That's good. Get that shit away from me. What does this do? Battery pack instant energy. Oh. Okay. Worth a shot. Huh? Okay. Where's his mother? Okay. I'm not. It's such a smaller room than the witness. It is still very similar though. Spoilers, by the way, for this game. So I can't kill this like Fistula. She's just playing like tennis. Wall ball. This is like actually Toho. Ah. These guys are. Oh. Oh my god. Did I get her? Are you kidding me? There's no way I could have known that was gonna happen. You know, that was pretty close. We got pretty far. Tried so hard and got pretty far. And in the end, I guess it didn't matter. We didn't kill her. Hey guys, I figured I'd plug my Twitch here at the end, because these are all stream highlights. So yeah, if you like what you saw, come to my Twitch, twitch.tv/pistachiomon. I stream every once in a while. There's not really a schedule, but I do stream, just like randomly, random times. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's my first video. I'm new to editing, so I could always use tips. Sometimes I edit on stream. And yeah, thanks. Check out my Twitch if you think I'm still funny without editing.